Hello. Good morning. Once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. This time we are preparing, we are heaving up anchor. We are about to conduct ship to ship. We have to go alongside our sister ship, MC Achiever, to transfer Ripple Lifeboat. We have to transfer Ripple Lifeboat to Achiever. Now, Ripple Lifeboat is on board. Later on, I will have to maneuver to get alongside to Achiever. I'm just waiting tugboat provider. Okay, this is where we are. Anchorage at outside breakwater. Here we are. We are here, yeah. Then we will be going alongside here, ship side here. So this is my teammate, sir. Okay. So good morning. So this is it. I am on board MC Achiever. We are about to transfer this Ripple Lifeboat. Transfer from my ship, from there. There, and we'll have to transfer here. Okay. So this is the captain.
Hello.
Captain Robin Gan.
Hello.
From Cavite. Itibak. This is the crew. This one is my former AB. This one is my former Busin. Busin. And this is superintendent. Mark
Hero Malia.
Okay. Objective ng transfer ng ano. Alam na kami. Kap.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And position na yung ano. Position na yung Ripple Lifeboat yan. Oh. Paalam na kami. Paalis na kami. Bye-bye.
Boss, guru.
Ito mga pamalakasan. Scaffolding. Ito is scaffolding.
Wala ko lang sa grade ng printer, sir.
Tapos na kami. Tapos na kami sa
Guys,
namin.
release na.
Job order.
Talaga si Kapitan din.
Transfer kami ng ano. Ripple Lifeboat from Pioneer.
O
From Shore to Pioneer. Pioneer to
Achiever.
Achiever.
From